Alright, so we're doing a 10 DME arc. We're currently at the Victor 23 airway, which is 145 radial out of Oceanside. We're right on the center of the airway. And so when we're at 10.5, we're gonna turn. We're gonna do the 180. We're gonna do a DME arc to the 180 radial right to the left. So we're gonna twist. We can go all the way to this, and we're gonna find whatever heading is there. When that needle comes back in, we'll do another 10 degrees. And turn another 10 degrees until we get the 180 radial, and once we're in that radial, we fly towards VOR. And we'll shoot the
San Diego Northeast, Lightsport aircraft over the 15.
Alright, so you're at 10.7 right now. When you're at 10.5,
yeah,
you're gonna twist 10 degrees to the left.
Yeah.
And now fly the heading on the left of the...
so 260.
Yes. At 10 degrees before you start rolling. There you go, gently. And we hold this heading till
the needle comes in.
Yeah, until the needle comes in. Right now we're 9.8, which is okay. And we might have to adjust a little bit sometimes for the wind drift. So, see the needle start coming in. When the needle gets centered, we're going to twist 10. And notice we're getting closer. So the wind might be pushing us. There you go.
So if I want to correct for the wind angle,
so what we're gonna do once the needle centers, so we're drifting a little bit. Keep 260. Alright, so we're getting closer. Alright, so just to hold this heading. Okay, we're getting too close. So we're decreasing. Correct, maybe 5 degrees back. Heading. There we go. So now the needle is centered. We're gonna twist another 10 degrees.
We're gonna fly this heading.
Yeah, we'll hold this heading for a second. Because we got close.
Green and white Cessna 3000
Let it
over Bonzel. Last
extend your. Now is increasing.
San Diego traffic, red, white, and blue Skylane 903 wind uniform, 6,000 feet over Lake Wolford, heading northbound over Palma Valley for commercial maneuvers. San Diego.
Alright, so we drifted a little bit too much to the left. So we can go back to our heading once we get to the closer to the 10 mile. Alright, you're corrected. Yeah, that's good.
Alright, so now I'm going 270.
270 is west. Alright, so once that needle centers. Alright, so the needle is almost centered, so we're rolling 10 degrees before you get to 270. There you go. Right now you're center. Now you can do the 280 heading. Or 275. Let's try that one, see how that works. If you maintain, there you go, 275. And you got it at 9.89, so that's pretty good.
San Diego North, white and brown, light sport aircraft over Viejas Casino, 5,500. Will be working between 4 and 6,000 for the next 10 mics, San Diego North.
So, we're heading to the station, so we should have a 2 indication. That's why we don't use the reciprocal, twist it to the other side. Alright, so once the needle centers, you can turn heading north. And you'll be the 180 radio.
Over Ramona District, 7,300 feet, doing Camaro maneuver.
Center turn, and that's it for DME. Alright.